Today we're gonna explore the west part of the island. Beautiful day here in Tenerife. You can see Teide, majestic as always. We're gonna drive west to see the oldest dragon tree in Garachico, the oldest capital, and what else more we can get today in this afternoon. All right, let's go. Got here to the dragon tree, this beauty. Let's wait for the car. And this one, they say that is more or less 1,000 years old, and of course it's a symbol of the island. Pretty cool, huh? Let me ask my guide again. Mahi, why do they call this tree dragon tree?
So it's called dragon tree because when you cut the bark or the leaf, you have a red resin, and it was said that it was the dragon blood, and they used it mainly for varnishes, to make varnishes, and that's why so many trees disappeared.
Preserve the dragon trees.
Yes.
Hashtag preserve the dragon trees. This is the old timer, 1,000 years old. We just left the park and we saw some people saying that it cost 5 euros the entrance, but apparently it was free, it was all open, everybody was coming in and out. There was no one in the entrance. We did it. Next stop, Garachico. Here we are in Garachico. And why is Garachico important? Garachico was founded in 1496, according to the Wikipedia, which I just checked. So Garachico was the main town in Tenerife for a long time, until 1706, when they had this huge eruption. It was like weeks long, and a lot of lava covered the town, destroyed a lot of stuff, and then they had to move the main port from Tenerife to Santa Cruz, the other side of the island. And then they rebuilt some parts of Garachico. Here we are in a historical town. So let's check it out. Let's walk around and see what Garachico is. Good morning, Tenerife. Another day, second part of the video, and today we're going to La Laguna. We're gonna do a historical walking tour, and we are 1 or 2 minutes late already. Let's find the guide. We just finished the walking tour through La Laguna, and something interesting that we learned today is that actually Garachico was not the capital, as I was saying before. The guide said that actually La Laguna was the capital. Garachico was just the main port of Tenerife. La Laguna was the main capital until not long ago, like the 1800s, when they changed from La Laguna to Santa Cruz. What else? La Laguna is a really historical city. It's located in the center of the island between Santa Cruz and Puerto de la Cruz, more or less. And it's more than 500 meters above the sea level, so it's colder, as you guys can see. And they built the capital here because it's a strategic location in the center between north and south, but also is a little more protected than the cities on the coast. We did the walking tour with the city council and it was free. Everybody can book your tour. They run from Monday to Friday every day at 11. It takes 1 hour. I'll link the website below. They have the tour in a lot of languages like English, Spanish, French, German, so just book in advance. That's it. Mahi doesn't want to be in the video. Okay, see you next time.